What's up, guys? Today we're outside of the kitchen and we're gonna look behind the scenes and see how all the pizzas are made, all their fresh ingredients, the fresh dough. It's gonna be delicious. And today I think we're making Mike's favorite pizza. Let's go check it out. How's it going?
Hey, Chef Donny, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, welcome to Mod Pizza.
I'm excited to be here.
All right, so let me show you around. Is that cool?
Yes.
So each restaurant has a unique photo wall. So it's memories of our squad, parts of our culture. One of my favorite things I love to talk about though is our little Sweet Maddie, who we named our Maddie Cheese Pizza after, is actually in memory of this little girl who was a big part of our story in Seattle. We do a lot of fundraising for Leukemia Lymphoma Society in her memory.
Oh, I love that.
And then you'll run right into our menus. This helps you really create your own masterpiece at Mod. One of the coolest things about Mod is that we have unlimited toppings for one price. So
really?
You can load up any of our 40 plus toppings, as much protein, as much veggies, as much anything as you want, and we actually build it for you right there on our make line.
That's incredible. Unlimited toppings is crazy because usually like you get a pizza and I put pepperoni on it, maybe sausage, and the price has just doubled instantly. So the fact that you can get unlimited toppings, no extra charge, is a pretty unique and incredible thing, I'd say so.
And then today we're gonna make Mike's favorite pizza. So we have something pretty cool we're gonna make, which is actually part of our partnership with Mike's Hot Honey, which goes way back. This is actually Mike Kurtz's, the founder of Mike's Hot Honey's favorite pizza.
Wow, all right, I have high hopes, Sam, because I love Mike's Hot Honey and I love pizza, so this is Mike's favorite. This can't be bad. This is gonna be really good.
All right, well, let me show you where you're gonna be building this thing. So this is our make line. There's those 40 plus ingredients. You can see everything that's possible.
Wow.
And you actually build it with our squad member right here. Okay, Chef, I'm gonna introduce you to Love. She's one of our GMs here at Chicagoland.
Hi, Donnie, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And she's gonna teach you how to build Mike's favorite pizza.
Perfect, let's get going. I can't wait.
So first off, we're gonna go ahead and press our dough.
Let's do it.
First thing you wanna do is temperature your dough. It should be between 50 and 60 degrees.
Oh, look at that, we have a thermometer.
Yeah,
we're getting
we got
real
it
scientific.
ready. We're at 58, so we're
Perfect.
perfect. So we'll go ahead and grab our scraper and start putting some dough in our flour bit. So you just wanna make sure that we're lightly dusting the dough.
Okay, just so nothing's sticking there.
Yep, and just plop it right in.
Boom, just like that.
Perfect.
And do you guys have a gluten-free option? Say someone doesn't want to have the flour, what do they do?
Yeah, we have a gluten-free option. We do refer to it as gluten-friendly just since it all does go in the same oven.
Makes sense.
We also have a cauliflower gluten-friendly option as well.
Oh, nice, cauliflower crust. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna stick with the traditional today. I think it tastes a little better, but
Yeah,
hey, if you like the
perfect.
cauliflower, go for it.
And then once we have that all dusted, we're just gonna put it right in the middle of our dough press. And then we'll use 2 fingers to pull it down. And it will stop automatically.
Look at that. And then you have a perfect little pizza right there.
Perfect. And just pull it onto our screen.
All right, that seems pretty straightforward. I think I got this. So
Yeah.
we're going center, and then we're going screen down. Oh, I messed it up. You gotta hold. You have to hold it.
Yes.
I spoke too soon. There we
Perfect.
go. Now I grab a screen here. Uh-oh.
It does take some getting used to.
A little bit. Let's see if I got the shape back. Look, 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 look. Bang, we're good. That's perfect.
So now that we have our dough pressed out, we're just gonna move over to the make line and get to building. We're going to go ahead and start off with docking our dough. So we'll just go ahead and do that. Perfect. We're going to start off with our signature tomato sauce. We do have other sauces if you want more of a kick.
Okay, but with the mics, we're going traditional.
Yes, we'll do the signature tomato sauce. You'll just do a
ladle like that?
Yep.
Okay.
And put it right in the middle and then do a swirl.
How are we looking? A little bit more?
Yeah, you want about like a thumbnail.
A thumbnail. Oh, okay.
So next up we have our mozzarella. You'll just do an even spoodle.
Oh, a spoodle.
Yeah.
I like that word. And then what?
You'll shake it off so it's completely level.
Completely level.
Perfect.
Okay.
Then you'll plop it into your hand over the pizza.
Over the pizza.
Perfect. Break it up into 2. And then you'll distribute it from the outside in.
Outside in. I started on the inside. Whoops. Outside in. Okay. I think that looks good.
Looking good. So next up, we have our whole milk ricotta.
Ooh.
We'll just take a scoop and we're going to put little dollops of 6 all around the pizza. So each slice has a dollop of ricotta.
There we go. Now it went. All right. 6 little dollops. And I'm going to move this one here. God, this is high pressure. I thank God there's no line. It's a good thing we're closed right now because otherwise the line would be going like this.
So then next we have our H Parmesan. We do have a shaker.
This is my favorite. I love little Parmesan.
I think every pizza needs at least a little Parmesan.
I agree. Okay, that I'm gonna do. I did a little extra, but I think that looks good.
You can always do extra. So next up we have our meat where we have the spicy chicken sausage that you use.
Ooh, okay.
It'll be a 3-finger pinch and you'll just distribute it across the entire pizza.
That look right?
You do like a little more.
A little more?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna use. I used all 5 fingers, but I think I got the same.
So the same thought with the mozzarella, you want to work from the outside in.
Got it. All right.
All right, and then the last topping that we're going to put on before it goes into the oven will be our pickled jalapenos.
Ooh, nice. Okay, now I can tell Mike likes a little bit of spice because he's got the spicy chicken sausage and then hot honey. I'm assuming goes on at the end.
Yeah, as soon as we're done cooking it, we'll do a zigzag of Mike's hot honey.
Great.
Beautiful.
Ready for the oven?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Perfect. So now that our pizza's done, just like a normal shift, we're gonna pass it off to the person on oven, which would be Roxana.
Okay, Roxana, now it's oven time.
Yes, thank you, chef.
What is the plan?
So we're gonna cook our pizza in our earthstone oven. Our oven reaches up to 700 degrees in temperature.
You can tell.
You can feel it, right?
You
It's
stand
hot.
here all day and just
sometimes,
it's a hot oven. This
yes.
is a good one right here.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide our pizza right here to the side. We just slide it off. Okay. We're gonna use this tool to push in the pizza into the oven.
Okay.
We put it underneath our pizza and we just slide it inside the oven.
Okay.
This only should take about 2 minutes to cook.
Fast.
Fast.
Really
it's
fast.
It's made on demand, so it has to be fast.
Okay. And how many pizzas can you get in here at once?
So at once we can fit only 12 pizzas.
12 is a lot
12
though.
pizzas, yes. So we are constantly rotating the pizza, right?
Yep.
And we use this special tool right here next to you called a poker to poke down all the bubbles.
Okay. And you're just rotating to get an
Yeah,
even.
we're rotating to get an
cook.
even cook. So we want to pop those bubbles,
Okay.
right?
Yep. Bad day to be a bubble, that's for sure.
Let's check our crust. Is it golden? That looks beautiful.
You think that looks beautiful?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Let's check the bottom part. Lift it up a little. That looks perfect. So
Perfect.
that one is ready to
This one's
come out
done.
of the oven.
And what's next? What's the next station
So
here?
next station will be our expo.
Expo, and we
Yep.
go right to there.
Yes,
And I'm sure
we
we
just-
yell hot. Here we go, hot coming in. Boom, right in the expo.
So now we're gonna expo this pizza and get it ready for our Uber Eats pickup. So you're gonna take that paddle and put it in our box.
Okay, I'm going right in the box here.
Yep. And then we're gonna take our black cutter and then you're gonna cut it into 6 pieces. So my best advice is to go straight down and then 2 from each side.
Straight
of the
down,
box.
2 from each side.
Yep.
Okay. I'll find a way to mess it up, but I think I got this. Straight down.
Yep.
1, 2 from each side?
Yep, right there. And then flip.
Look at that, guys. I did it.
Perfect.
Perfect. 6 even slices.
Slices.
They're even. Don't zoom in, they're even.
And then, of course, it's Mike's favorite pizza. So we're gonna put some Mike's Hot Honey on there.
Okay.
Grab either of those bottles. And then you're gonna do 6 zigzags one way, and then you're gonna make an M the other way.
6 and an M. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
And then rotate.
Rotate and
then
do
put
an
an M.
For Mike?
Yep.
Look at that.
Perfect.
Beautiful. I love this. This is looking fantastic. We box it up and it's ready to go.
It's ready to go.
It's going for our Uber Eats delivery right now.
Yes.
And I just need to box it up.
Beautiful.
Perfect. Order up.
All right, let's check it out.
Not bad, right?
Oh, that's beautiful.
You
That's
think so?
beautiful. So are you gonna join the Mod Squad?
You think I got a spot on the squad?
Come join us.
All right,
You're
I'll be
hired.
back. I'll be back. Thank you so much, Lindsay. This was a great day. And now I have this fantastic pizza, which you guys can also get.
You can get an exclusive on Uber Eats for 50% off Mike's favorite pizza.
50% off?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, you can have this for half off in the comfort of your own home.
Yeah. We'll
All
have
through
it
Uber
delivered
Eats.
to you.
That's fantastic. Well, can I take this one with me?
Yeah, it's yours.
Okay.
It's yours. You earned it.
Okay, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
That was so much fun.